I want to do today is I've got this, you can't really see in here, but this is an owl mould, and it's quite small actually compared to my hand. I actually thought it was, when it was going to arrive, it was going to come a lot bigger, but I want to do this there's blue and white stripes, because my other half, he's a Sheffield Wednesday fan. He's a Sheffield Wednesday fan, and their logo is the owl. They're all about the owls. That's their nickname, the Owls. So I wanted to do him a blue and white owl. I also ordered this owl, and this is tiny as well, and it's just a flat. So I'm just going to fill this one in, just see how that comes out. And I thought while I was at it doing the blue and white stripes, is I've got this teddy bear mould. So it's like one of these, and I'm going to do one of these as blue and white stripes as well. So he's got a, but I'm not going to do glitter, I don't think, but I'm going to fill this up at the same time, blue and white stripes. So I've just mixed up some resin. So the resin I use is this resin colour, and I've shown in previous videos how I mix up my resin, so I won't show that again. So that's just sat on the side at the moment, just waiting for the bubbles to rise. Then I'm going to get some blue pigment, mix that in the resin, and we'll just fill these up slightly, and then you have to leave them for a minimum of 5 hours. So I'll either come back tonight, although it is nearly 5 o'clock in the evening, or tomorrow, and I'll do the next layer and so forth until we reach the top, and then we'll see how it turns out. So I'll be back in a sec. So that's all I'm going to do. I've filled this one out, and I've actually overspilt, but that's all I'm going to do in these for now. I'm just going to give them a little blow with the torch. I'm just going to tidy this mess. Now you might or you might not be wondering what I'm going to do with the remainder of this. So what I've got going on at the moment is I've got one of these big pyramids. So I've just got it covered with cling film. So you can see there, I don't know if you can see underneath, There is a pink layer, that's a white layer, and I'm gonna put in, there's some flowers in there, I'm gonna put in some embellishments, and then I'm gonna put in the blue resin. So I thought I'd show you that project. So you may be able to see I've just put in a mixture of like blue sequins and all sorts of things in there, and with my leftover resin I'm literally going to just pour that in, and whether those bits float or not we'll see. If I get leftover of the white, then I'll just let that go into this pyramid. But that's literally what I've been doing with my leftover resin, and this is going to be the most random pyramid. I might even just mix those up. Might even throw in a bit of blue glitter while I'm at it. Throw some of that in. Just give it a mix around, and I'll literally let that set, and then every time I do more and more resin I'll just keep adding and adding and adding. Okay, so we're finally ready to demould. So here is the teddy bear. We'll do the teddy bear first because I think this will be easier to do. So are you ready? So just taking this teddy bear out of the mould, it is really quite hard to take out. The head part this part is quite easy, but it's the head of this teddy bear mould I find so tricky to take out. So I'm just going to do that a little bit off camera, then I come back, and as I've got it, I'll pull it out. And what do you think? I think it looks great. It looks like glass. I think it looks lovely. I would have liked the blue to be a darker blue, but I'm happy with the result. So let me know what you think. I think it looks brilliant. Love it. So the next one is the owl. So I wasn't sure how I was going to get this out, and to get this one out of the mould, you have to almost open it up from the top and then push it from the bottom. So once I'd got that sort of bit out there, then I started pushing from the bottom and it popped out. And what do you think? I mean, it's tiny, but still the detail in the owl, I love it. And it's quite a matte sort of finish. It's not as glossy, but still I think it's cute. So here they both are, my finished projects. So let me know what you think to these. Which one do you prefer? What do you think to this blue and white stripes? What do you think to the method? Is there anything you would have done differently? Let me know what you think. Here they are out in daylight so you can see a better view of them. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys very soon with another video. Bye.